What's going on, guys? This is your boy Mac the Trader back with another video, and in this video we are going to be applying my trading plan to all of London and New York session of EURUSD. I'm essentially going to break down the trades that took place this morning. If you are trading with us, then you are currently up major, and I'm going to show you guys what 5% can do. I know there are a number of traders that want to get started with trading, and I'm going to show you guys what 5% per trade can really do and how you can compound those numbers in order to really make a difference once you get started trading. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into a quick commercial, then hop into the video. If you are not a part of the YouTube family, what I want you to do is go ahead and click the subscribe button, hit that bell notification icon to be updated whenever I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into it. What's going on, traders? I hope you all are doing well. This is your boy Mac, and for those of you that have been contacting me saying, Mac, how do I pass my funding challenge? I've taken multiple challenges, I continue to fail, all I need is 10%, what should I do? For those of you all who continue to ask me that question, for those of you all who continue to struggle with your own capital and you need more capital in order to really have a return on investment, what I want you to do is join me on my next live trading session. For those mentorship students who joined me on today, we were able to produce 17.49% live on the charts. I show you guys my analysis, I show you guys where I'm taking my buy positions, I show you guys where I'm taking my sell positions, and all you have to do as a mentorship student is join in on the live trading. So for those of you who want to become funded traders, I am going to assist you, and I'm going to make it very, very simple for you to join the mentorship program. What I want you to do is look in the description down below. Click the link to join Mac Trading Academy, sign up for the next live trading session, right? And I want you to pass your funding challenge with flying colors, okay? I'm also going to give you guys 25% off the mentorship program just to make it a little easier for you guys to get your funds together to join in on the mentorship program. I look forward to seeing you on our next live trading session where I will be showing you guys all of my trades so you can pass your funded challenge. This is Mac, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that commercial and quick intro. Now let's go ahead and dive into the markets. Let's dive into the charts. So those of you who joined our live stream this morning, you guys were already prepared as it relates to where the market was going. Alright, if you joined our live stream, we essentially broke down a couple of assets this morning pre-New York, right? And we were able to also look at a couple of other currency pairs that you guys wanted us to check out on the analysis this morning. Remember guys, we are going to be live streaming Tuesday through Thursday pre-New York session. All right, so before New York session starts, hop on the charts with me. Let's get ready for what's going on during that New York session, right? So let's go ahead and hop into the charts, and let's start with London session, of course. So during London session, what we can see is we can essentially see a change of momentum here within this region. Now, you all know I like to take sells from premium areas of pricing, and I like to take buys from discount. Right here, we can see we did tap into equilibrium, and we did have this supply here that price gravitated towards and then changed its direction once it did tap into this region. However, right, we did have premium sells up here within this region where we were expecting price to tap into and then roll over to the downside. Nonetheless, my students and I were still able to take advantage of the market, just applying the same strategy over and over and over again, the same trading plan. So here on the M15 time frame, we can see that we tapped into this supply here where we can see with this inside bar, and then we have a change of momentum, sweep of liquidity here, mitigation, change of momentum to the downside, right? Then we have some type of flip opportunity here where price trades into. Once price trades into that area, you could have easily gone down to the M1 time frame. All right, I know my students out in London did. Right, so we can see that we have that mitigation here. Right, essentially we have price swept this liquidity as well as we have a little bit of inducement that price swept here. Right, before mitigating this region. Then when price takes this low out here, that is our change of momentum within the market, and price trades into the apex of what was responsible for that entire push, right? And then we have a little bit of internal breaks here of structure internally. Right, so price taps into that region, overall risking about 5.5 pips on this trade. All right, and remember guys, I want to show you guys how easy it is to target and hit 5R every single trade. So for those of you who have not been day trading with me, for those of you who are new to the day trading niche, for those of you who want to get started with making money, whether the market is going up or down, this is going to be for you, right?
What's going on, guys? This is your boy Mac, and I have an announcement for you. For those of you all a part of my trading community, we are currently up about 20% on our last EURUSD day trade called out live to all of my trading community. If you are not a part of my trading community, but you want to be able to produce consistent results and you want to be able to have those payouts that you guys see all of my funded traders have, then what I want you to do is I want you to join my trading community. Now, currently the price of the trading community is only 39 bucks. That's about $1.50 per day when you break it down. That's less than a cup of coffee. So if you're a trader and you're not yet profitable, or if you're a trader and you don't yet understand how to produce results, consistent results from the markets, join Mac Trading Academy's community, because you guys will be able to take advantage of my daily points of interest and entries as well, right? So I look forward to seeing you a part of our community, where I'm going to assist you with producing results the world is not familiar with. I will catch you all on the next one.
Right? So this trade right here, taking one trade during London session, we can see 5% was hit. Now, for those of you guys who are able to trade London and New York session, even for my busy traders who have a 9 to 5, you guys still contact me and say, hey Mac, I hopped into this trade, a sell for New York, a buy for New York, a sell for London, a buy for London. So I know it is very possible for you guys to continue to do that, right? If you do trade both sessions, which I know I have quite a bit of students do, we can see that we have another entry opportunity right here within this area. So let's go back to the M15 and let's break this down from top to bottom. So here we can see that once price took out this high here, okay, that was a change of momentum in our eyes, all right? We were possibly looking for more buy opportunities in order for price to tap into this region here. We see that price trades down into this apex here that swept this liquidity before giving us this break of structure, and we can see that price took this area out. So in our eyes, we were looking for what is responsible for taking out this region here. Now you could have used this candle here, or you could have used this candle here. If you are a part of the mentorship program, then you know the reasons behind that. And if you're not, I'm sure you are questioning the reasonings behind that. Feel free to join the mentorship program. For the next 30 days, we are also doing free one-on-one sessions. So for all of you all who have been contacting me, hey Mac, I want to join in on the one-on-one sessions. I want to be able to utilize them, but $125 is just too much. And I can't afford to become a student and also have to pay for one-on-one sessions. Now you guys don't have to worry about that. For the next 30 days, if you sign up using the code NEW25, essentially you guys gain access to all of my one-on-one sessions free of charge. You get to book them, join in, where I will assist you with fixing your trading psychology, your trading discipline, and making sure that you have full understanding of all three of my institutional trading courses, right? So let's get back into it. So we can see that price mitigates this area of supply here. Once price does mitigate this region, let's go down to the M1 time frame and let's see what is going on here. So we have the sweep of liquidity here. All right, we have this mitigation, and then we have a change of momentum to the downside. Entry was here, okay, based on this candlestick right here. All right, risk on this trade was about 1%, using about 7 pips as our overall stop loss region. And with this trade, you had multiple entry opportunities. So after the first entry was given, we actually had a second and third entry. So we're going to go over all of them right now on the charts, right? So let's put this back here. All right, so second entry opportunity was when price broke this structure to the downside once again, taking an entry on the supply that was responsible for that break. Still risking 1% of your account, right? But you're going to target 5%, right? Another one, we have another break of structure here. Then price returns back into the candle that was responsible for creating that supply, breaking structure to the downside, also targeting 5%. So for those of you, let's move this up just a little bit. There we go. So for those of you who utilize the 5% rule and strategy that I teach within the mentorship program, you guys are up major this morning. Over 20% you were able to return on your investment simply by trading London and New York session and applying everything that's taught in the mentorship program. Now, for those of you who don't have access to all three of my institutional trading courses, also remember that once you do become a student, you gain access to all three, as well as all of my trade alerts, right? So with that being said, if you guys do have any questions, feel free to contact me. Feel free to message me down below in the comment section, or contact me through email or through my social media. All of those links are in the description. And also make sure you guys use new student 25. Also, make sure you all use new 25 when you join the mentorship program. Do not pay full price. You guys can feel free to take advantage of the sale that we are currently running, right? And make sure you take advantage of those one-on-one sessions as well. I will catch you guys in the next video. Much love. Peace out.